Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark.
Ooh, it looks like this is packed with some goodies. Looks like we got an extension with the brush on it. Here we got an extension hose. We got something. This might be the manual. Looks like that's the manual. It says different needs, outdoor, parties, rooms, whole bunch of other stuff in the manual. Here you got a nice carrying bag, so that's pretty handy. Here we got the front thin extension nozzle. Here you got the charging. So it looks like it is a wall plug-in charging. So that charges the unit. Here we got the vac. Go ahead and open it up. Oh, that's nice. That's cool. I like that. That's a cool design. So it looks like we have some tape blocking the power button, so I think you just pry that up from underneath it. So once we get that tape off here, we can show you guys. I don't know if the battery's going to be charged at all or not.